Okay, so when I had my heavy monitor on here, this it would not hold. No matter how much I tightened this, it kept letting the monitor like slide, so it wouldn't stay. So I had to take my old monitor off because it was too heavy. It was a 12-pound monitor. And then I've just gotten this brand new monitor a few days ago and just decided, well, instead of getting an articulating arm, a different gas articulating arm that I was planning to get for this monitor, I just said, well, I'll just put it on this WALI. And it's holding great. This monitor is only 8.5 pounds. It's 27 inches. And it holds it great. I haven't had to adjust it all day. It's not budging. It stays where I put it. So beware if you have a heavy monitor. My old monitor was 12 pounds and it can't get tight enough to hold it.
Also, this is a monitor mount, but it works just wonderfully for my laptop. You put it in practically any position. I can watch it from the front, watch it from bed. I can stow it over here. Well, stow it like that. I'll put the links in the description.
This is my review of the WALI wall mount. I mounted it on the side of my desk like this. So that way I could sit here and trade my crypto. It works great. Went in perfect, no problems. Really self-explanatory. Goes up pretty good. I never needed that high, but isn't that awesome? Anyways, worked great. Got it used even. Good deal, dudes.
Amazing unit compared to others. This definitely stands out. Amazing track, hides your wires, and allows you to move freely, whatever direction you intend to have it. It's actually long enough for me to pass this cabin and watch freely from a cooking area. God bless you guys. Amazing product.